Okay, ayusin mo natin camera natin. Ayan, okay, ayos na. Okay. Good evening po sila po. Good evening to all po. Again, another game night tonight. Muli po tayo ngayon sa ating ABS Friend League, Dabas sa Flying League. Ito po yun, ABS Friend Dabas sa Flying League. Brought to you by the following sponsors: Team LBC Hari ng Padala at Thread and Needles, and part of by, of course, PSBQ Bowlers, Pinisa Bowlers Katapuan, and also SPB Pilipinas. First game for today po is Hub Lounge versus In-Flights. We're here live now sa ating sunny but yet cool. Winter pa rin po tayo, pero tagsimula po yun sa Qatar. To win the second round, first game basketball action between In-Flights, dubbed in pink, white, and black combination po yan. And of course po, versus the Hub po naman po clad in violet, or purple rather, pink, and white combination po tayo nyo. This game is brought by Team LBC Hari ng Padala, Thread and Needles Upholstery, or Thread and Needles po yan. Uniforms po yan. For all uniforms need, come to Thread and Needles. To order uniforms po, just click the FB page po natin. And of course, ang Facebook naman po is Pinoy sa Bowlers Katapuyan. If you want to join our league, just visit the FB page po for details. Okay? Ang title po tayo about to start right now para sa ating first game for today between In-Flights and the Hub. Sir, boss. Okay, we're just waiting now for the opening buzzer and opening whistle po tayo para magsimula po tayo between Hub, Lounge, and In-Flights. Medyo malalim po ang bets po ng In-Flights kung mapapansin po. Sa Hub na siya, ganun din po. Pero tignan natin po kung paano po maglalaro po itong both teams na ito for the first game for tonight between In-Flights and Hub Lounge. Okay, shout out po dyan po kay Joanna Sega Rocamora. Madam, good evening po siya, madam. And have a nice watching this game, this first game for tonight. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start the ball game between In-Flights and the Hub. Antay-antay lang po tayo yun. Antay-antay lang po tayo for the opening whistle. This is a little chilly routine din po tayo yun still. Dahil pero malapit na kasi. Malapit na rin ng tagsibol talaga. Still chilly po tayo. Chilly evening weather po tayo yun. Gives me the chills. Okay, 40 minutes remaining before we start the game. 30 seconds. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start the ball game between Hub and In-Flights. Okay, game start. Okay, first game for tonight po is the Hub Lounge versus In-Flights. Calling now the first five for both teams. We're about to get you ready to rumble. First game for tonight po is In-Flight versus the Hounds or Hub Lounge. The Hub. First game. Okay. Final prayers po for protection and also of course final instruction po for both teams before we start the game. And this game is brought by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. Thread and Needles tailoring for your uniform needs po. Come to Thread and Needles, PSBQ, and also SPB Pilipinas. Yan Qatar chapter. Yan po yan. Or Doha chapter for keeping the game in neat and orderly fashion. Okay, welcome po sa In-Flights and the Hub. First game for tonight. Okay, kasama po tayo. Meron tayong courtside reporter po dito. Si Madam. Okay, eto na po tayo yun. Last yan, no? Si Nick. Oh, Niklos. Si Nick. Kaya si Nick? Ayun, yun lang. Manood ka na lang, Niklos. Manood mo lang to. Hindi ka pala pwede. Duty first before basketball. Okay, first game, first quarter. Okay, starting na pa si Mike. Si number 7. Number 17 at si number 5 sa hub naman, yan si Perido, number 23. Number 8, sinipit po yan. Si number 8 din. And also si number 11. Okay. Okay, yan po. Sige, para di po makalituhan. Okay, yung mga kwintas po natin, pakitabi-tabi lang po. Mahihigaw din, pakitabi-tabi lang po. Pakibigyan na lang po saan para masangla ko na rin. Para sa dagdag ekonomiya ba? Okay, welcome po nyo. First game for tonight, the Hub versus In-Flights. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start, to commence. And sa pa sa Team SPB po, and also Doha chapter po yan, to keep the game, maintain the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, first whistle. Okay, now, nakuha po ng In-Flights. And almost lost the ball. Okay, hindi pa Great grab number 8 pops up. No good. Again, second chance points. And one play sana, pero still earn from the line. Yan po si number 31, shooting for 2. That's Anacleto. Shooting for 2, Anacleto. 31. First shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po. Pops up. Okay, that's in 1-0 po score po natin. Courts of In-Flights. Mendoza to number 11. Number 11 may tayo ng bola. Mendoza. Ang mapapasan. Ayun, sinipit. And lost the ball. White ball. White ball po tayo. Balik muli po sa In-Flights ang bola. Number 21 for the inbound. Number 5. May tayo ng bola. Number 5. Driving in nga. Pops up. Short jumper. No good. Tap to number 11. Number 11. Nagmamadali to Mendoza. Mendoza driving in. No good. Wag mo na. Nip it. Power move. Barrel move. Foul. Committed by number 11. Okay. Mukhang ito na. Nipit shooting for 2. First shot po ni Nipit. Nipit shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 8 minutes 54 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Pops up. No good. And rebound the number 12, 17. Anacleto, power move. 2 points, Anacleto. Nipit. 0-3 po score po natin yun. Estapa. 8 minutes 37 mark. Junicio to Edward. Check out them. Still ball with Hub. Bola po ng The Hub. The bola po ng The Hub. 23, The Hub. Inbounding Mendoza, power move. Number 23 to number 8, Edward. Go good. Rebound battle won by number 13 again. Quimales driving in. No good. Rebound battle by number 23 driving. 57. Mendoza, shake and pick. Mendoza pops up. No good. One more time. Mendoza, wala pa rin. And white ball. White ball, touch last by Mendoza. Touch last by Mendoza. Inbound muli si number 21 to De Guzman. De Guzman, may tahan ng bola. Directing traffic, 73, 7-minute 38th mark remaining. And number 5. Oh, teka lang po. Traveling violation called. Traveling violation. Sinabi ng referee, tag-travel ka. You forgot your passport. Kaya balik muli sa bola, sa habang bola. And now, si number 11. 11, may tahan ng bola. 11, nip it. Number 8, Edward, sidestep move, no good. Balik muli po sa impress ng bola. Binabantayan ni number 23. Now, number 8, double team now. Enasik, Anacleto, pops up, 2 points, easy 2 points ni number 5 kagad yan. Nilista na kagad. That score is 0-5 po, 0-5. 6 minutes 43 mark. Sorry. Nipit, power move, no good. And number 3, Mike Quimales doon sa ilalim, wala. Nakakuha ni number 8, Estapa, tinahan ng bola. Estapa to Mendoza to Estapa, pops up, shake and pick move. Gumakat si Mendoza, ayun muna binigyan ng bola. Then Edward thinking 3, masyadong malakas. Nakuha ni number 7, number 17 ng bola. Baseball pick kay Quimales, 2 points. 5-minute 57 mark na lang ng larong ito ng first quarter action. 17, number 11 to Edward. No, huwag muna raw, babantayan muna niya. And to Nipit, power move, no good. One more time, no good. Di niya kuha. Nakuha ni number 11, lost the ball. Anacleto, malakas ang pase ni Anacleto. Balik muli po sa hub ang bola. Back to the hub. Bola ng hub. The hub. Mendoza again, may tayo ng bola. Score po natin po, sir, 0-7 po, sir. That's Asterin Tulyao, 0-7 po. Laman po ang in-place ng 7. And na Mike, 2 points, Mike. 9-0, 5-minute mark remaining. Edward pops up, kapos. Nakuha ni Quimales. Again, 2-on-2 situation, 2-on-2. Number 5, barrel move, no good. Rebound battle won by number 23 po, may tayo ng bola. 23, and to Mendoza, pops up, no good still. Number 8, Edward, tap out. Tap out po, and paliper po tayo yun at 4 minutes 40 remaining. Second line na po si Nitro, si Valdez, si Perido, pumasok na rin. Retain, pat si Dimac, at sino yung retain nila? Sa kabila naman, yan, si Sir Philip, Dangel, diba? Hindi pa pumasok. Si Mercado, si Dimacali, si Manib, Napit, si number 1 and number 13. Yan. Okay. Perido, lost the ball almost. Perido, power move. Perido, driving in. Check out pass kay Dimaculangan for 3. Nope. Perido, second chance boys, 2 points. Perido, 2 points, 2-9 po score po natin. 2-9. Nichols, 2-9 po score niya, 2-9 na. Nakashoot na yung dahab. And now, Dimacali, pops up for 3. No good. One more time. Again, Mercado, Dimacali, kumat. Di Makali again. TK Di Makali. Kumat si number 9. No good. Dimac. Okay, left yun yan. Hindi niya kinuha. Para makasip tayo. Dimac. Estapa. Number 3. Perido. Perido may tayo ng bola. Perido. Dimac na ngayon. Dimac. Number 2. Perido. Di mo kailangan again. Na yung mag-isa. Power move. Di mo kailangan. No good. Rebound Di Makali. Number 1. Villarosa. Binabantayan ni Nitro. Gumawa ng pasa. Pumasak Di Makali. Di Makali. Pops up. No good. Perido. Ay, si Valdez. To Perido. May tayo ng bola. Perido number 3. Thinking 3, wag mo na raw. Si Valdez kumakat. Nitro. Wag mo na raw, sabi niya. And to Valdez. Valdez driving in, slashing. No good. Estapa, binabantayan. Villarosa lost the ball. Now to Perido. 2 minutes 43 remaining. Both teams scoreless in last 1 minute. And same ball, sabi ng referee. Same ball daw po, sabi ng referee. Same ball. Same ball. Okay, call overload. Sa in-plates ang bola, sabi ng referee. In-plates ball. Mercado. Di Makali, dinababa ang bola. Di Makali, bring down the ball, not to Villarosa. Driving in, pinasa mo na kay Mercado. Nagkapamang ng cutter. Ayan nga, meron na. High post na to Di Makali. No good. Villaflor rather. And now Di Makali, kumat. Again, nice selfless play. 2 points. Patience is the virtue, really. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Walang mang po na siyam ang team in flights over the hub. Di makulangan. Nakalusot. Di makulangan. Palpal. Estapa. 2 points Estapa. Nice shot by Estapa. Timely po yan. 7 points na po kalamangan muli po ng team in flights. Di Makali. Mercado. Villarosa. Mercado. Di Makali for 3. No good. Nice rebound by in-flights. Mercado pops up. No good. Perido. Estapa. Baseball pass to Valdez. Nitro for 2. Kapos. Di Makali. Mercado bringing down the ball. Kino ni Valdez. Di Makali. Driving. Number 6, number 18, cutting. Number 1, Villarosa. Mercado pops up. 2 points, Mercado. Nice throw by Mercado. 4:13. Lamang muli po ng siyam ang team in flights at 40 seconds remaining. Nitro. Lost the ball. Ed nakuha. Ed to Mercado. No good. One more time. Nakuha ni Perido ang bola. Perido. Di makulangan. Driving in. Lost the ball almost. To Perido. Di makulangan. 2 points. Easy 2. Let go na yan. 14 seconds remaining. First quarter action. 6:13 na score po natin. Lamang na lamunin po ng 7. Di Makali. Lost the ball. Valdez. Nakuha ang bola. Still completed. Perido. Wala na. Out of bounds. And out of time po tayo yun. That was the first quarter action. Lamang po ng 7. Lamang po ng 7 ang in-flight. 6:13 po ang score po natin. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Second quarter action po tayo ngayon. Waiting po tayo for the opening, for the whistle again. Bola po ng in-flight, sabi ng referee. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. Bola po ng The Hub. Bante pa yung in-flights. Quimales, Anacletos, Boss Philip. Si number 5 at si number 21. Saka man, Junicio. Si Dimac, si number 8. Si Nipit at si Mercado. Lost the ball. Almost not ties. Nice D. Nicky Males. Nice D, nice D, nice D. Nice D po tayo, nice D. Inbounding. Number 8, Junicio. Di mo kailangan for 3. No good. Okay, nakuha. Number 5, De Guzman. Foul by Junicio called for the foul. De Guzman shooting for 2. That's Ali pala. Yung malaya pa siya Ali. Okay, Ali ng in-flights. De Guzman, first shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Okay, the score is 6-14. An 8-point lead po ng in-flights. Di makulangan. Shake and pick. Nipit ako ng pick. Nice kick. Lost the ball. Still completed. And nako number 5. Number 5. 2 points again. Number 5. Back-to-back field goals in number 5. And a timeout called by the Hub. Okay, watching right now the Hub versus in-flights. First game po tayo. And coming up next po is Airport United and Mechanicos. This game is brought to you by the Funny Sports. Of course, partnered by Team SPB Philippines and PSBQ. And of course, Team LBC Hanan Padla and Thread the Needles. Back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. Back to the ball game. Si Pirido, di niya nagustuhan ang movement po ng kanyang team kaya tumakbo ng timeout. And Sir Owens po, good evening po sa inyo. Mercado to Dimac. Dimac kulangan. May tangan ng bola ngayon. Dimac. Pops up for 11. For 3, no good. Quimales, hawak na. To Di Guzman, binababa ng bola. Steady lang daw, sabi. Steady mo. Okay, Sir Philip, Di Guzman for 3. Yes, sirree! 3 points, Di Guzman. 3 points, 6-94 score, the 13-point lead already. Okay, Junicio, dinabas muna. Nipit, hindi na nasa ng pasa. Philip, Ali, Di Guzman. Pops up to Ali, pops up, no good. Mendoza rather. Edward. No good. Stripped away. Now to Di Makulangan. Power move. Foul committed. Foul number 31. Inbound po yan dahil kasi papasa po niya. Sir Scott. Good evening po sa Sir Scott. Nipit. Pops up. No good. Ali naka-rebound. Philip. And number 5. Quimales sa ilalim. Offensive foul. Sabi ng referee, merong siko. Sige, okay. Lapitan lang niya ako, Scott. Wala problema. Basta may plastic siya. Wala akong dalaga ng bag ngayon eh. Doon din malaking bag. Pops up. Junicio. No good. Mendoza. Walang pinasahan. Walang tinapikan. Balik muli po sa in-flights ang bola. The score is 6-9. Still the score. Okay, Sir Babagay. Good evening po siya, Sir Babagay. Okay. Lapitan lang niya ako, boss. Walang problema. Okay, now to Anacleto, fadeaway shot, 2 points. 2 points, Anacleto, fadeaway shot. Nice shot. Gumamit pa ng bank. Bank the board. And di mo kailangan, 2 points, di mo kailangan. Long 2. Si 8-21 still, lamang po ng 13 ang in-flights. Number 5. Fade, nope, it's still completed. Mendoza to D-Mac. Foul. Take 2. Sabi niya. Sabi ni Juice Babagay, pa-shoutout po kay Canton at Tan ng Kas. Okay. Kay Babagay po yan. Nagpapasabi sa Babagay. Canton ng Tan. Binabati do kayo ni Babagay. Walang pinasahan. Timales. 3-on-1 situation. Number 5, easy 2. Okay, this is the biggest lead of the ball game. A 15-point lead deficit now. Being trailed, being handled by the hub. Okay, 6 minutes mark. Time out muna po tayo. Time out now in flights. Siguro para kumupo ng hangin. In flights, call for the timeout. The score is 8-23. I repeat, 8-23 po at 6 minutes remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Hub. Hub, may tangan ng bola. Hub. Di mo kailangan for the inbound. Di mo kailangan. Number 11. Ayan. Moving. Mendoza. 2 points, Mendoza. Okay, sweet spot yan. Ali. Quimales, number 5. De Guzman, number 5. Bring down the ball. Check ball. And it's a foul call by Quimales. 5 minutes 36 remaining. That score is 10-23. 13 pa rin po ang kalamangan po ng team in flights. Nipit. Inbounding to D-Mac. Di mo kailangan. 28. Handling the ball. Kung anong pick. D-Mac driving strong. Ayun. Fadeaway shot. No good. Ali. Rebound ni Ali. Ali driving with the ball. Bring down the ball is Ali. Harassed. Philip for 3. No good. Di makulangan. Di makulangan. Nako, sayang. Kapos ang bola. Di makulangan. Shooting for 2. Ali called for the foul. Number 17, Ali. Number 17 rather, called for the foul. Di makulangan. Shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. At 5 minutes 29 remaining of the second quarter action. D-Mac, second throw, jumpers ready. It's in. Okay, 11-23 at 12.2 po kalamangan ng team in flights. Deficit po, manahabol po ng team The Hub po is 12. 5. Binabantayan. Ali or AJ. Pops up for 3. Yes, sirree. Number 5 again. Naka 3 points. 5 minutes 12 remaining. 11:26. Balik mo sa 5 ang kalamangan ng in-flights. 11. D-Mac. Shake and fake for 3. Nice D. Junicio. Nakalusot. To Edward for 3. Nope. Ayun, Junicio. No good. And sayang. Same ball. Okay, palit tao po tayo. Palit tao ngayon. D-Mac will retain 23, 2, 0, and 3 sa hub. Kabila si Mercado, Di Macali. Number 3, number 25, at si number 15. Perido for 3. No good. Rebound by number 25. 25, naka-rebound po siya ngayon. Cariaga, number 18. Di Macali. Di Macali to Cariaga. Walang pinasahan. Okay, kinuha na yung bola. Perido, trailing by 15 points ang team nila. D-Mac, Nitro, Estapa, Valdez, Perido, D-Mac for 3. No. Okay. Mercado, masyalakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa inference ang bola. Sa dabang bola. Balik kayo ni Silya. Nakabutas ng ng goma yan. Ito na lang. Malbig mamarka ng tartan. Okay, 2 points the hub. Balik muli po tayo. And now Mercado, 13 ang kalamangan. Valdez, Mercado again. Kumat, power move pero may foul sa baba. Nice call kay Valdez. Mercado. Ayan na naman. Mercado for 2. No good. Rebound by 1 by the same ball. Same ball daw. Sabi ng referee, same ball. Game. Nagkatong mapasahan. Pwede inbound. Okay, now Di Macali. Nakuha. A fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by 1 by. No, malalim masyado. Tap. Di Macali. Fade, pops up. Kapos. Foul. Sumabit. Di Macali shooting for 2. 2 shots awarded para kay Di Macali. 2 shots awarded. Di Macali 2 shots awarded para sa kanya. First shot, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Di Macali, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Okay, basket made. 13-27. Perido, nagkamabasahan. 2, di makulangan. D-Mac. Perido, driving strong. Yes, sir. Sana. Valdez. No good. D-Mac, nice steal. D-Mac for 3. No good. And nice tap and to Mercado. 2 points Mercado. 2 points again. 1 minute and 49 remaining. Calling now second players po natin. Mechanicos and Effort United. Punta na po kayo dito. Magta third quarter na. Estapa. No good. Di makulangan. Foul committed. Di makulangan. Shooting for 2. That's Cariaga. Giving up the foul. Di makulangan. Shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Cariaga to Mercado. Di Macali for 3. No good. Rebound, Di Perido. 1 minute 15 remaining. Perido, shake and fake. Shake and fake, binabantayan. Nakalusot. Foul, Mercado. Mercado give up the foul for Perido. Inbound din po, the hub. .23 for the inbound. Nitro, pinasa kay Dimac. Again, foul committed again by Dimacali. Dimacali called for the foul. Take 2. Penalty situation, in flights. Dimakulangan shooting for 2. 14-29 for score po natin. First shot. Nope. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound won by in-flights to Mercado. 57 seconds remaining. Lost the ball. Push ball rep. Babagay. 14 seconds na lang po, babagay. Magta-third quarter na. Pumunta na kayo dito. Para mapag-unat-unat na kayo. No good. 23. Estapa. Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha ni Mercado ang bola. Mercado driving strong. Dimacali. Diyoy pa ang bola. 2 points. 30 seconds remaining. Perido. Perido for 3. Ayaw mo na. Ayaw niya. Perido. Dimakulangan. Driving strong. 2 points. Dimakulangan. Mercado. Last shot. In-flights para sa last shot. Dimacali nakalusot. 5 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. Foul. Two seconds remaining. Second quarter action. 2 seconds remaining. Magta-third quarter na, Julius, ha? Babagay, magta-third quarter na. Manapat, no good. Okay, that's it. Second quarter is finished. Coming up next is the third quarter action. Okay, antayin po tayo. Second half action will about to start. Antayin po tayo mga boss. Welcome po sa Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Third season na po tayo ngayon. We're live here sa sunny but yet cool Newton International School in Bower Village in Doha. You're witnessing the first game for today between In-Flights versus the Hub. In-Flights commanding the game 31-16, a 15-point lead. In command po ang In-Flights over the Hub. We'll see po kung adjust po ng the Hub po this coming second half and try to claw back again to the ball game. In-Flights versus the Hub. Okay, si Di Guzman for the inbound. Di Guzman for the inbound to Sir Philip. Sir Philip, 26. Sir Philip, 5. Di Guzman. Binabati ni Valdez. AJ, naigpitan, okay, foul! Turn to one, AJ called for the foul. Okay, Perido for the inbound. Mampoy tayo si Perido, may eyebags ah. Perido, di makulangan, nice pick, nipit, kumat, palpal. Perido, turn around, and it's a foul sa baba. Wait ba si Perido? Wait ba? May eyebags. May eyebags ba? Okay. Perido 3. Ayun! Ay, this guy play sana. Sayang. Nice play sana. Balik muli po sa in-flight ang bola. 9 minutes 9 remaining. 16:31 still. 15 point lead pa rin po kalamangan ng in-flights. AJ. Malakas. Mercado. Mendoza. Perido. Tap by AJ. Nice guard by AJ. Number 5. Nipit binabatayan. No good. And still. Palpal. And one play made by number 31. That's Anacleto shooting for the bonus free throw coming up. Anacleto shooting for the bonus free throw at 8 minutes 36 remaining. First shot. Pops up. No good. Nipit, naka-rebound. Di mo kailangan. Nag-mabasahan. Di mo kailangan. Shake and pick, nakalusot. Nipit. Power move. No good. White ball ang bola. White ball. Sabi rin, white ball. Last touch, nipit. AJ. Philip 5. Quiñales. Cutter. Anacleto. Nakong bola. De Guzman for 2. Bang! Perido. Ball sa baba. Score is 16:35. 19 point lead na po kalamangan ng in-flights over the hub. Perido. Shake and pick. Mendoza, 2 points Mendoza, sweet spot ni Mendoza. 7 minutes 31 remaining. De Guzman, Di Macali, shake and pick, nice defense, and stripped away. Perido, binabatayan, okay, still completed. Valdez, 2 points. Slight run being felt now by the hub. Meron konting run pong ginagawa ngayon. Mendoza, Quimales stripped away the ball, pero may foul. Okay, Quimales shooting for 2. Timeout. Wala, okay. Okay, substitution muna po. Valdez out, number 11 in. Quimales, number 17, shooting for 2. Quimales, first shot. Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. At 6 minutes 51 remaining of the third quarter action. Calling now, second game po. Pumunta rin po kayo dito. Okay, that's in. Quimales sinks the ball. That's in. 26-20, 36. 16 po kalamangan po ng in-flights. Perido. Nipit. Foul. Warning for penalty. Team in flights. Hub. Perido. Perido from Mendoza. Perido. Shake and fake to Di Makulangan for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Di Guzman. Di Guzman binabantayan. Di Guzman. Quimales. Oh, foul sa ilalim. Power move. Binaban natin ni Quimales. Timeout called by In-Flights. The score right now is 23-36. Laman po ng 23-36. 17 ang In-Flights. Third quarter action po tayo at 6 minutes 12 remaining. Calling the next game between between Airport United and Mecanagos. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po kasi ang larong ito. Paging second game. Participants, come now to the site para mapag-warm up na po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Mercado, binabati ni Mendoza. Kumangon ng cutter daw, Di Guzman. Mike. Pops up, no good. Rebound, hindi mo kailangan. D-Mac naka-rebound. Perido. Nakalusot. Perido. Oy! Naipit. Di Makali. Binabantayan. Di Guzman. Di Makali. Di Makali Espirido. Quimales. Lost the ball. Still completed. Ayan na. Estapa. Malakas ang pasa ni Estapa kay Pipilido. Okay, 5 minutes 21 remaining. Eto na. Mercado, setting up the pace. Mike Quimales. Lost the ball. To Mercado. Nakuha ang bola. Di Makali almost lost the ball. Nakula kalusot. And nakuha ni Quimales. Shake and fake. No good. Rebound di Mendoza. May tayo ng bola. Mendoza pops up. Yes, sirree. 2 points again, Mendoza. Slowly but surely, bumabalik na po. 11 na lang kalamangan ng In-Flights. Slight run being made now by the Hub. Mercado. Di Makali for 3. Malakas. And balik po sa Hub ang bola. The Hub. May bola muli po ang The Hub. Perido. Lost the ball. Counter steal. And Mercado, nakang bola. Mendoza, Quimales, power move, binato na lang, 2 points. What a shot. That shot made with a prayer. Lost the ball. Mike, 3-on-1, 3-on-2, Mike, no good. Rebound battle won by Di Guzman. Foul, traveling violation by Di Guzman. Okay. The score is 25-38. Lamang buli po ng 13. Ang In-Flights. Nag-time up po ang The Hub. 3 minutes 32 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. The hub, inbounding. Perido from DMAC. Di mo kailangan from Perido. 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 Di mo kailangan. Binabit ng Mercado. Di mo kailangan. Di mo kailangan. Di mo kailangan. Shake and fake. Nakalusot. Di mo kailangan. Pranic shot. No good. Nilabas. And same ball. Niluwa ang bola. Sayang. Ayaw kumain ng bola. Nang bring yan. Okay, Stapa. Perido. Nakalusot si Perido. Perido, side save. Foul! Foul, Mike. Kinarate ang bola. Nakarate. Kinarate. Wapak. Perido shooting for 2 at 2 minutes 56 remaining of the third quarter action. Perido, first shot. Pops up. Yes, sir. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot. Jumper's ready. 26-38. Perido, second shot. Jumper's ready. Perido, second throw. No good. Rebound ni number 18. Number 18. Baba na raw. Sabi ni Perido. Mercado. Tinatawagan ng mga tao niya. Mercado. Ayun. Alcain. No good. Di mo kailangan. Akain. Seal cold. Di mo kailangan. Perido, nice training job. Akain, nice save. Akain. Mike, pinasa na lang. 2 points. No good. One more time. Wala pa rin. Perido, side step move. Wala. DMAC, power move. Wala pa rin. Walang foul. Nice, di ba Akain? Akain, Mercado. 2 points, Mercado. Two minutes remaining, third quarter action. 26-40. Labang ng 14. Di makulangan. Foul. Bulto yan, tumalbog ka. Di mo kailangan. Shooting for 2. A minute and 48 remaining. Okay. Labas muna po. Mercado out. Di Guzman in. Di Macali out. Di Macali in. Sino peta niya? Akain out. Diba? Hindi. Number 18 out rather. Di makulangan. First shot. Good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. A minute and 48 remaining. 27-40. 13-point lead ng kalamangan ng Team In Flights. Second throw. Pops up. No good. Kimales. Di Macali. Binabantayan. De Guzman. No good. Mendoza nagmamadali. Mendoza up to Perido. Edward lost the ball. A minute and 29 remaining. De Guzman. Mercado. Philip calling the shots from the outside. Magmadali muna. Di Macali. Kimales. Fadeaway shot. And one play pa ginawa niya. Nice shot by Kimales. Turn around shot pa yan. Boarding pa ang ginawa ng bata. Kimales, bonus free choke coming up. First shot. It's in. Okay. 3-point play completed. 27-43. Lamang na naman na 16 ang in-flights. Ang the sky play sana. Lost ball. Di Macali, ayun, Mercado! Hindi na shoot ang bola. Mercado shooting for 2. 54 seconds remaining. Mercado shooting for 2. Mechanicals and Airport United coming up next. First shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Okay. 54 seconds remaining. 27:45. Lamang ng 18. Perido for 3. Nope. D-Mac. 3 points, D-Mac. Di mo kailangan 3 points, Mercado. Kimales naman. Di Makali. And one play made. Basket made para kay Di Makali. 30-47. 20% remaining. Edward out. Hindi pala. Mendoza out. Edward in. Di Makali shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. Okay. 3-point play completed. Perido for 3. No good. Foul. Edward. Number 8 called for the foul. Edward. Di Makali for the inbound. Pending situation also. Di Makali shooting for 2. Di Makali shooting for 2. Di Makali shooting for 2. Pops up. Tapos. Naubos. Napagod. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 11 seconds remaining. 11 seconds remaining. Di Makali for shot. No good. Estapa. Perido. D-Mac. No good. And that's it for the third quarter action. The score is 30-48, an 18-point lead being posted by In-Flights. Okay, you're watching right now In-Flights versus The Hub. And coming up next po is Airport United and Mechanicos. Yung second game po, nasa na po kayo, matatapos na po, fourth quarter na po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, final 10 minutes coming up. If Hub wants to win this game, they have to do something, and they do something fast. D-Mac. Idol. D-Mac. Perido. Estapa, Nipit, and Nitro. Sa kabila naman, Mercado. Di Makali. Anacleto, Akain, and number... Wala, di makita. Di Makulangan, nagmamadali. D-Mac. Foul. Blocking foul. Anacleto. Number 31. Sino ba? Okay, 31 nga, 31. 31, blocking foul. Perido. Nakalusot. Perido. D-Mac, short stab, good ball. Op, teka lang boss, teka lang. Okay, may konting scapo lang po, kaya inyo ko yung camera. Chill lang po tayo, chill lang. Friendly game lang po tayo, friendly game. Friendly game lang po tayo. Paki-break nyo muna, paki-break nyo muna. Paki-break nyo muna. Okay. Okay, si Manapat nilabas muna para kay AJ. Sinipit muna, nilabas muna para kay Mendoza. Okay, para magpalamig muna. Okay, thank you po. Balik mo tayo sa laro po ito, 32-48. At 9 minutes, 34 remaining. Okay, nilabas mo sinipit din. Budobol Ans po po, tinawag po sa, sa both teams. Kay Nipit and Manapat. Akain. Merkado. Kumuha ng pick. Akain again. AJ for 3. Bang! AJ 3 points. Di mo kailangan. Hoop. And Valdez. Nakuha. Check ball. AJ. And as a foul call by Valdez. What a 3-point made by AJ. AJ, kumukuha ng bola. Okay, wag mo na raw. Di Makali na pumunta. Di Makali. Nitro, binabantayan. Si Di Makali. Di Makali nakalusot. Di Makali. Side step move. Palpal. Akain. And one play made. Back to back and one play po. Ginawa po ng in-flights. Okay. Akain. Bonus free throw coming up. Yan po yung pamosong Akain Brothers ng league ng ibang liga. Kasama po siya nun. Akain, bonus free throw, pasok. Coach. Okay, 8 minutes 32 seconds remaining. Penido. Di makulangan for 3. Kapos. Penido, power move. Foul sa ilalim. Okay, entro. Di mo kailangan. Binabantay na. Di mo kailangan. Binabantayan. Manyapat. Di mo kailangan. Power move. Yes, sir. Power move. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes. Merkado. Binabantayan. Si Di Makali. Binabantayan. And now, malakas ang pasa. Out of bounds. Di Makali being marked already by Nitro. 7 minutes 50 remaining. 34-54 at 20-point lead being posted by In-Flights. Perido. For 3. Palpal. Akain. Naka-rebound. Akain muna. Nakuha ni Nitro ang bola. Nitro! 2 points. Okay, 7 minutes 24 remaining. The score is 36-54. 18-point lead ang kalamangan ng team In-Flights. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa larong ito. Inbound din pang In-Flights. I think they'll go na for court press. Magtatao-tao muna ang hub. Di Makali. Di Makali hounded the radio and foul. Nakuha. Nitro. Valdez. Malakas. Di Makali. Binabantayan. Merkado. Binato. Rebound bar 1 by Valdez. Perido. No good. Again. Two-on-one situation. Walang pinasahan. 6 minutes 43 remaining. Perido. Pirido may tanang bola. Pirido. Pirido. Pirido and 23. Nakalusot. Pirido. And one play made. Yan ang kinakalaan nila. Dapat maraming ganyan. Pirido, bonus free throw coming up. 6 minutes 28 remaining. 30-54 ang score. 38-54 rather. 38-54 nga. Pirido. Basket made. 39-54. 15. Mercado lost the ball. Okay, chance again for the hub. Chance again for the hub to trim down the lead into 13 points or possible 12 points. Di mo kailangan. Nagmamadali. Di mo kailangan. Nabantayan. Nitro for 3. Malakas. Pirido, 2-on-1 situation. Lost the ball. Hub muli. Bola muli ng hub. The hub. Bola muli po ng the hub. Pirido may tayo ng bola. Pirido for 3. Nope. Di mo kailangan. Pinasa kay Pirido for 3. Nope. Malas. Mercado and 1. Sana hindi tawagan. 2 points Mercado. Di mo kailangan. 5 minutes 33 remaining. Malayo pa yan. Di mo kailangan. No good. And chain ball. Timeout called by the hub. The score is 39-56 rather. 17 ang kalamangan ng in-flights. Muñoz, isa sila. On the way na. 5 minutes 19 remaining. First game pa lang po ito. You're watching right now the first game between the Hub and In-Flights. And coming up next is Airport United and Mechanicos. Five minutes 19 remaining. 56-39 score po natin. Laman pong In-Flights ng 17. Pirido inbounding. Nitro palpal. Quimales. Foul. Still same ball. Quimales. Mercado may tanang bola. Mercado binabantayan. Di Makali binabantay na. Mercado si Makali. Quimales. Di Guzman pops up. Yes, sir. Kapos. Sir. Kasi dito. Ilan ba to? Sige, ano naman yan? Uniforme lang? Okay. Kapos. Ouch. Okay, Di Makali called for the foul. Mendoza. Perido. 4 minutes 24 remaining. Estapa. Mendoza. No good. Nakuha. Okay, nakuha ni Nitro. Kumat. Nitro, wala pa. Perido nakalusot. 2 points Perido. Ayun, mag-isa. And 2 2 points again by Mercado. Mercado, 2 points, 3 minutes 49 remaining. Nitro, papasok na. Dimac almost had it. Okay, balik mo, estapa out, nip it in. Di makulangan, 4-2. Nandiyan na si Munoz din, nandiyan na. Present na si Munoz. Tsaka si Manson, sa kabila naman. Di makulangan per shot, no good. Nilabas. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok. 42-60, 18-point lead. Nakuha ni Dionisio ang bola. Dionisio. Dimac sa ilalim. Hacked. 3 minutes 21 remaining, 42-60. 18 ang kalamangan ng in-flights. Di makulangan, shooting for 2. Lamig. Di makulangan, first shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Di makulangan, second shot. Pops up, pasok. 44-60, 16. 3 minutes 19 remaining. Mike Perido, nakuha ang bola, still completed. Perido, di makulangan. Almost had it. Back to the line for di makulangan. 3 minutes 6 remaining. 3 minutes 6 remaining. Di makulangan, first shot. Pops up. Kapos. Sir Philip, Tatay Philip, magandang bugibisel po. Ito po yung aking sports vlogging po. Hope you enjoy the game po. Second shot, di makulangan. Pops up. No good, pareho. Ay, nakuha. Binawil, di makulangan. Same ball. Matibay siya. 2 minutes 57 remaining. 16-point lead. Dimac, power move. Palpal. Dimac, power move. Palpal. Di makulangan, first shot. 2 minutes 52 remaining. Mahaba pa yan. Dimac, first shot. Naku, wala pa rin. Second shot, jumpers ready tayo. Ayos yun. Second free throw, jumpers ready. It's in. Okay, 15 ang kalamangan. 15. Dimacali against Mendoza. Dimacali, Mendoza na unang pick. Walang pinasan. Akay, move forward. Mike. Dimacali to Akain. Mercado, no good. Mike. Akain. Fresh 14. Mike, lost the ball, pero may foul. Two shots awarded kay Mercado. 2 shots awarded kay Mercado. 2 minutes 24 as the game progresses. Second shot, Mercado. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Nipit. Malakas. Ed, nakuha pa. Nagdigod Digisman. Dionisio, nakalusot. Nalusot din Digisman. Lost the ball, almost. And Dimacali, 2 minutes 10 remaining. Dimacali, foul. Still, wala pa daw. Di Macali, inbounding. Di Guzman. Kumon ng pick. Di Guzman nakalusot. Di Guzman. Pops up. Kapos. Nakuha pa Di Macali ang bola. Di Macali. Malakas ang pasa. Balik sa habang bola. 2 minutes 5 remaining. 15 lang yan. Nakuha pa ni Mike ang bola. And Mike, 3-on-1 situation. Balik muli sa habang bola. Nice D. Mendoza, ayun, Perido, 2 points. 47-60, 13. Di Guzman, I think they're opt now to milk the clock. Foul. Both teams penalty. Di Guzman, first shot. Di Guzman. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot, Di Guzman. Second shot, Di Guzman pops up. It's in. Sana. Perido nagmamadali na. Perido. 2 points Perido. 11. Nakuha, still completed. And nice hustle by Mike. Like Mike. I want to be like Mike. Perido. Di mo kailangan for 3. No good. Wala na. That's it. I think that's it. Di Guzman. No good. And Junicio. Perido. Foul. Both teams penalty. Perido. Bonus free throws coming up. Free throws. Para kay Perido. First shot. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready. 49 seconds remaining. Perido. Second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. It's in. 10. Foul. For Di Makulangan. Mercado going to the line. Both teams penalty. Mercado shooting for 2. 2 shots awarded kay Mercado. First shot. It's in. I think that's safety basket na lang to. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Both in. Okay. 48 seconds remaining. Perido, no good. D-Mac, lost the ball pa. Okay, that's it. Safety basket na yan. Safety basket na wala na. Nakain. 23 seconds. Okay, that's it. 20% violation. 18 seconds remaining. Lamang ng 12. Violation yan. Perido for 3. Bang. 8. Siyam. 7 seconds. Okay, foul. 5 seconds remaining. Di Guzman shooting for 2. Di Guzman pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Lamang ng siyam. ang in-flight. Pops up. No good. Perito. Okay, that's it. Congratulations for winning the game. In flights, 9 points po, 53-62. Final score. Okay, habang ano, Sir Idol, nice game, nice game. Okay, bago tayo mag ano. Okay, group photo po or group video para sa in flights. Impressive ball game. Ginawa po nila 53-62. Final score. Okay. Group photo, group photo. Family picture, sir. Family picture po. Family picture.
Thank you.
Family picture, sir. Mike. Family picture. Paki-balance po, sir. Paki-balance po. Paki-balance po. Paki-balance. Thank you po. Thank you. Paki-balance, sir. Tsaka compress po. Compress sa konti. Thank you. Salamat po. Yan. Okay. Yan, ha. Compress po para ano. Thank you, sir. Salamat po. Okay, 53-62. In flights winning the game over the hub. Okay, sino po best player of the game para ma-interview natin? Sino po? Sino? Quimales, 17. Okay, Quimales, dito tayo sa likod ng team mo. Okay, Quimales, parang bata, parang age is just a number, Mr. Quimales, sir. Any word for sir sa laro niyo po? Para napansin po natin, pinipilit na mag-rally pero parang pinubuso sila ng malamig na tubig para mamatay ka ng rally, sir. Ano pong masasabi po niyo, sir?
Sa tulong ng team effort, sa contribution ng bawat isang player sa amin, kaya namin na nagawa yung continue ng advantage namin sa age pure half.
Okay, good, okay. O nga pala, pansin po natin medyo mas senior kayo sa kanila, no? Pero pinakataan niyo naman nun ng veteran moves naman, malamang.
Pampapawis na lang.
Okay.
Dito gaming.
Okay, sir, ito. Alam po natin, sir, meron pa kayo mga konting, merong isang pamalakas na mga kalamay. Sir, ano po masasabi niyo po doon? In the mga last games pa po ninyo?
Kailangan lang din maging consistent sa amin ng bawat isa, contribution ng bawat isa.
Okay.
Tulong-tulong sa loob ng court. Yun lang ang magiging key namin sa previous game namin na darating.
Okay, next game. Ang previous
Oh,
game.
so,
Succeeding.
succeeding.
Okay, sir, I give 1 minute to shoutout po, sir. Okay, shoutout po. Shoutout.
Shoutout po sa family ko.
Okay, family mo. Family mo, ha? Family mo. Okay, sige. Ano pa po?
Kuya Calvin.
Isa pa. 1 minute yan, sir. Huwag mo sayangin.
Sa teams ko.
Okay.
Tito, tita.
Titos and titas. And,
Titas.
okay, that's it po. Yan po ang in-flight si Sir Quimales for win the POG pa game. And good na po sa next game si po. In-flights, konting kawin naman po dyan, sir, please. Okay, yeah, flag dito, flex pa. Okay, ha. Okay, thank you po. Yan si Mercado and si AJ, yung kanilang ringer kanila. Parang magic bunot nila. Okay, that's it po. This team flights po, in-flights for winning game. And see you again for the next game between Mechanicals and, of course, Airport United. Maraming salamat po and God bless.